Let's make crispy garlic spicy fried chicken. Chicken, garlic powder, 2 eggs, all-purpose flour. It provides a good balance of crispiness. Chili flakes, some salt, and sesame seed. It's an optional. These are all we need. Now let's start by marinating the chicken. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl. They will make the chicken extra crispy and flavorful. Next, add salt according to the amount of chicken you have. Add garlic powder to the mixture according to your taste based on how garlicky you want it to be. Pour a spoonful of soy sauce into the mixture. It will enhance the flavor. I finished mine and forgot to buy more. Alright, let's mix everything together. Give it a gentle massage so that flavors can penetrate all the chicken. Now let's marinate it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. While the chicken marinates, let's prepare the flour for coating the chicken. Add garlic powder. I'll add a tablespoon of sesame seeds. I really enjoy the flavor they did. Add chili flakes according to your spice preference. I love a lot of spiciness, so I'll add extra. Now mix it well until all the flavors are evenly combined. Add some salt. Again, mix it well. Okay, that's good enough. Looks nice and smells great. It's time to coat the chicken with the flour mixture, making sure it's evenly covered. Take out the chicken pieces one by one. Close the lid of the container if you have one, as this will help you keep your hands clean and minimize mess while coating the chicken. Shake the container to ensure that each piece is evenly coated with flour. Let's take a look to see if everything is coated evenly. Perfect. Look at my hands, perfectly clean, no mess at all. I heated the oil while I was coating the chicken, so it is ready to go now. Let's fry it well. To ensure it's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It will take a while, so let's be patient. Look at those, it's golden brown. It's definitely ready. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.